I chose to stay here at IJCC because I greatly enjoyed my time here for almost 17 years. And I believe in the company mission and vision for growth and development as well.
I've been working in IJCC for 13 years. And the reason that I always stay is due to my love on teaching and the relationship I built throughout the years.
So why did I chose IJCC? It is because of three different reasons. First, ito yung aking alma mater. Dito ako nagtapos ng elementary. Pangalawa is, dito ko hinubog kung sino man ako ngayon at kung sino pa ako sa mga susunod pa na panahon. Ayan. So, third is dito na-enhance ang aking good character na nagagamit ko pa rin hanggang ngayon sa pag-build ng relationship sa mga tao.
Feels like I'm home. Feels like I'm home. Feels like I'm home. My home is where you are. It's so easy, babe, whenever I'm around you. I was home from the moment that I found you.
Choose IJCC. 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 Choose IJCC.